We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for roleplay, making your sessions more engaging and interactive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. After logging in, you'll see the chat interface. To start a roleplay, you can initiate a conversation by setting the scene or context. For example, type "Let's roleplay" as if we're in a medieval kingdom with dragons and knights. ChatGPT will pick up on this and start responding accordingly. You can then continue building the narrative by responding to the AI's prompts and adding new twists to the story. A great tip is to be as descriptive as possible to make the roleplay more vivid and immersive. You might want to say, "As a brave knight, I enter the grand hall of the castle, looking for the king." ChatGPT will then respond in character, enhancing the roleplay experience. You can also experiment with different roles and scenarios. If you want to switch roles or settings, just type in your new idea or scenario, and ChatGPT will adapt. Remember, you can always steer the conversation by introducing new characters or plot elements. If ChatGPT ever starts to veer off track, gently guide it back by restating your intentions or the scene's context. You can have endless fun as you explore different worlds and characters. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.